You're not just watching a train being built. You're watching a 250 kilometers per hour beast come to life. Inside this ICE-4 factory, nothing stands still. Giant robotic arms move with insane precision. Sheets of steel become the body of a high-speed monster. Thousands of cables, hundreds of engineers. One goal, perfection at full speed. Every bolt is tightened with accuracy. Every system survives brutal testing before touching the tracks. Because one small mistake at this speed changes everything. And when the doors finally close, and the ICE-4 leaves the factory, what you see isn't just engineering. It's power, technology, and human precision combined into one unstoppable machine.
Achtung, Zugdurchfahrt. Bitte treten Sie zurück von der Bahnsteigkante. 346 meters, 12 cars, one purpose. Where speed meets centuries. Connected. Every time. Perfect. After midnight, Germany still moves. 15,000 volts. 16.7 hertz. One contact point. Berlin. The crossroads of a continent. Every weld, a promise. Every seam, a life. Sleeps, Krefeld builds. Wrocław, where the skeleton is born. 974 days from raw steel to finished train. This is day one.
Dobrze.
March 19th, 2024. The 137th and final ICE-4. Her name is Spree. One signature. 13 years. 1,511 cars. But where does this begin? Norwegian hydropower. German engineering. One journey. 2,000 bar of pressure. One perfect profile. 420 kilowatts. 2,990 Newton meters. It starts here, 3 millimeters wide. 10 years of failure protection. The train will know itself. From Norwegian fjords to Polish plains, the materials are on the move. Monday morning at Wrocław, another coil, another train. Before steel is cut, it exists here. Perfect, infinite, digital. In the digital wind tunnel, air is the enemy. Every Newton matters.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
12 cars, one brain, 0 single points of failure.
6,000 watts of light. Steel that took millions of years to form, shaped in seconds. 400 tons. One bend. Repeat 3,000 times per car. 26 metrów. 3000 zacisków. Jedna szansa na sukces. 140 amps. 23 volts. Every joint tested. Every bead inspected. Powoli. Stop.
Stop.
From flat to form, the body rises.
Good. Jetzt.
4 robots. 7 axes each. Welds repeated within 0.05 of a millimeter. every car, every time.
The floor will never crack here. Friction stir welding the joint that's stronger than the metal around it.
The weld is solid. The ultrasound proves what the eye cannot see. The bogie must fit perfectly. 0.5 millimeter is the difference between smooth ride and disaster. Fiberglass, epoxy, vacuum, the nose that will part the air at 265 kilometers per hour. Aerodynamic perfection meets crash survival. Form and function, bonded forever. The handshake that connects 12 cars into one train. Automatic. Perfect. Every coupling. Hennigsdorf builds the unpowered cars. Wrocław builds the powered ones. Together, they form the train.
0.02 of a millimeter. The bogie frame is carved, not cast.
320 kilonewtons. The wheel will never slip. The axle will never fail.
120 degrees Celsius. Expand. Slide. Contract. Locked for life.
780 kilograms of copper and steel. 2,990 Newton meters of torque. Connected. Gut. 1.5 times the weight it will ever carry. The bogie doesn't just survive, it doesn't even notice. 0.1 of a millimeter here. The bogie pivot. The single point where 50 tons of car meets 8 tons of bogie. Submerged arc. 300 kilonewtons of traction force will pass through this weld, every acceleration, every braking.
The steel is naked. No rust, no mill scale. Only the anchor pattern for what comes next.
80 microns. The barrier between steel and rust. This layer will last 30 years.
The stripe. Verkehrsrot. The red line that connects every ICE from every generation. Body to bogie. The moment of marriage. From now on, they move as one.
2,600 kilograms. 15,000 volts. The transformer that turns overhead power into motion. IGBT. Insulated gate bipolar transistor. The silicon switches that convert DC to AC 10,000 times per second. The hand that touches the sky. 70 newtons of pressure. Continuous contact at 265 kilometers per hour.
CBus PN. The nervous system. Every sensor, every motor, every door, pouring. All talking, all the time. Safety never sleeps. The 110-volt batteries ensure that even if everything fails, the brakes still work.
EP 2002. Brake-by-wire. The train's stopping power, controlled digitally, applied pneumatically.
Information at the speed of light. Every screen, every speaker, every Wi-Fi access point Freben. The passenger's digital companion. The floor. What every passenger stands on. Engineered for silence, built for decades.
The walls close in. The cabin is born. What was a skeleton becomes a room. Reihe 12, fertig. 830 seats, each one an invitation to a journey. 22 degrees Celsius. Summer or winter, outside or inside. The train breathes for you. Accessibility isn't optional. It's designed in. Every train, every journey, it for everyone. 1 becomes 2. 2 becomes 12. 346 meters of connected purpose. 10 bar in the reservoir. 5 bar in the pipe. Every seal tested. Every joint confirmed. All 12 cars connected. All systems nominal. The brain is awake. The body responds.
30 kilometers per hour. The first movement. The machine is alive.
From birth to proving ground, the Wildenrath test loop awaits. 265 kilometers per hour. Design speed.
lateral, vertical, longitudinal. Every vibration measured, every limit respected. 70 newtons. Constant contact. No arsing. Power flows uninterrupted.
22% energy recovery. Every stop powers the next start.
From 250 to 0. The stop that must never fail. It didn't.
Authorized, certified, approved. The ICE-4 is no longer a prototype, it's a train.
Empty carriages. Full data. The train runs in shadow, accumulating reliability 1 kilometer at a time. One train set every 3 weeks. 130. The machine is ready. The driver is ready. The passengers are aboard. This is what it was all for.
Papa, schau!
Your cappuccino. Thank you. You're welcome.
Accessibility isn't a feature. It's a promise.
13 years, 137 trains, one lifetime.
The smallest detail. The biggest difference. Welcome aboard. Svu mina möjligheter sev. Mesiara höstmorf alpmorf.
The line is quiet. But it's not over. It's waiting.
Service. March 2024. The last.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concepts, then rewriting using AI to ensure originality. Videos and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.